Good evening friends, you are most welcome to Think Ice channel. Today we are going to discuss Ghatnachakra Current Affairs 2023. Here we will discuss 1 year's current affairs for the preparation of UPSC, UPPSC, MPPSC, BPSC, CGPSC, UKPSC, RAS, EPFO, APFC and other state PCS examinations. Let us begin the topic. Our topic is baguette, that is a French word which means bread. Baguette makes it to UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage List. On November 30, 2022, baguette, the staple French bread, was inscribed into the UN List of Intangible Cultural Heritage (ICH). What is a baguette? The baguette is a long and thin loaf made of flour, water, salt, and yeast, and is consumed as a staple in France. Some believe that it was invented by Auguste Jang, a baker and an entrepreneur from Vienna in 1839, who introduced the world to the taste of crusty bread with softer insides using a steam oven. It gained its official name in 1920. Our next topic is 77th session of the United Nations General Assembly (UNGA). Leaders from across the world convened in New York for the 77th session of the United Nations General Assembly (UNGA), which opened on September 13, 2022. It is based on the theme A Watershed Moment, Transformative Solutions to Interlocking Challenges. Indian External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar led the Indian delegation at this UNGA session. Next heading is Innovation Roadmap of the Mission Integrated Biorefineries. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh has announced the launch of the Innovation Roadmap of the Mission Integrated Biorefineries at the Global Clean Energy Action Forum 2022 in Pittsburgh in the United States. It is developed by co-leads and active inputs from Brazil, Canada, EC and the UK, European countries and UK. It was launched alongside the Paris Agreement in 2015. USA ratifies the Kigali Amendment. On September 22, 2022, the US lawmakers voted to ratify the Kigali Amendment to Montreal Protocol, US making this the first time in 30 years to adopt an international climate treaty. The amendment phases down the use of powerful greenhouse gases called hydrofluorocarbons HFCs and aligns with existing bipartisan law. The US now joins 136 other nations and the European Union in ratifying the amendment. The Kigali Amendment to the Montreal Protocol is a legally binding international pact that aims to gradually phase out the consumption and production of HFC hydrofluorocarbons. Global FinTech Fest 2022. Indian Finance Minister and Reserve Bank of India Governor reiterated their commitment towards sustainable development speaking at the Global FinTech Fest 2022 GFF 2022 being held in Mumbai between September 20 to 22, 2022. The GFF 2022 is jointly organized by National Payments Corporation of India, that is NPCI, the Payments Council of India PCI, and the FinTech Convergence Council FCC. The theme of India's largest FinTech conference is Creating a Sustainable Financial World, Global, Inclusive and Green. World Water Congress and Exhibition 2022. The International Water Association's World Water Congress and Exhibition was organized in Denmark from September 1st to 15, 2022 in Copenhagen. The 2022 edition was organized in Copenhagen based on the theme Water for Smart, Livable Cities. India has launched joint white paper on urban wastewater scenario in India. Urban wastewater scenario in India with Denmark at World Water Congress and Exhibition 2022.